my second set review. I've got a box. We get 3 mini scissors, long house. We put him on his bike. We have a peel. It looks like it's wooden, and 2. I'm reviewing my first. This one taller set. Some of the sips are a whole lot bigger. And now as we move on to the box, new Star Wars sets, we get some on here. I'll call it the Dad Dog Mopedor. Signs on the bottom. Get 1 Imperial Bank Slender on second, and don't know what that I will possibly call that one. And put that down now, and easy to take the bottom off. Push that over there. Controllers are down, as you can see. I call these Old Blasters 99 blasters. Gets a backpack for the mobile, and put that stuff back on, move that over, down, and with little things. So this and 2 logs. So this sign opens and closes. I'll put these logs back in. Well, it's going to take me just a minute to put them both in. And now as we move on, a wooden sign goes in that little hole. Another battle sign. It's one of the only Power sets we have a bunch of, or the regular ones we have the video game. Ladder can go up and down. Let's move on to the last mini scissor. It has a bow and arrow, a swordy size bow and arrow, and now we move on to the set itself. And little secret sign in now. See it? And lift it up so you can see. And so we got lots, so have to get the other one from the floor. I have, as we sang, souls on the floor. For me, every single thing I take out, that was it on the floor. Let me see. Flint Silent Missile, everything looks wooden in this set, and I'll go get one of my clones and show you how you can hide the people up in our. I'll get a clone with the gun from one of I bought from one of those silly old sets. If he has a gun that's solid enough, you can put it down and throw him in there and put him in there and then close it. I got a bunch of Lego 3 pieces everywhere. That's something I'm really impressed. This one is an extra one, but a lot of times I use up extra pieces, but that's the only extra piece or this set I have used up. Just like my other set review, you're going to like how you can see this. And if you like my other set review, you're going to like how you can see this up and down. So you get 3 of those little signs, and ladder has some pieces on it. Let me take it off. That's how long the ladder is. And one last look at the box. It shows you the pictures on the back. He's like, bang bang ha ha, you didn't see me. And she's like, when will I be able to shoot this arrow? And some pictures on that box. I'm counting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pictures on the back of his box. Now as we move on to the front, 3 mini 6 doors, 1 near one, and it's a wood set, and everything is flying at the enemy right now, and a Sortie, I'll call it a Sortie 2000 set. I think it's one of the 80-piece sets, and maybe, I think it says $60 now, and that's all of it.